Hey guys, it's Rachel with Fit29 and I have my best friend here with me.
Hi.
Her name is Sierra and she's gonna help me get a sleek ponytail with my natural hair. So if you've ever wanted to do a sleek ponytail on your natural hair, I'm for A. Stay tuned for this video. Okay, so here is the hair that I will be using. It is Empire 1B30 and it is deep wave. And I will also be using Eco Styler gel. Okay, so first and foremost, we obviously have to take down my hair and we're going to section it off into 4 sections. Now for my sleek ponytail, I'm gonna want a side part. So whenever I section my hair off into the 4 sections, because my part's going to be on the left side of my hair, that's where one of those sections will be. This is why you always need a friend to help you do your hair, because they can always get what you cannot see.
Uh-oh. Try to tangle.
Oh, that's okay. I'm not tender-headed. I used to jump. Whenever I used to go to the beauty salon, I used to jump whenever they would be getting too close to my hair. Yeah, I'd be like, oh my god, what are you doing? Okay, so first things first is, do you want to do the water? Add water first and then the
Probably
gel?
water.
Okay.
Do you have a brush? Or
Yes.
You just, okay. Bring down a little with water. Oh my gosh.
When you hear that crunch.
Right. Is it hurting?
No.
It's just the crunch.
Yeah. Yeah, so basically these bottom halves, those need to be gelled straight down. And then when we get to this section, that needs to be gelled this way, and this one needs to be gelled that way. Yeah.
Okay. Oh
So
gosh,
these
I
we
feel
just
like you
need.
needed an extra section for the bottom. Your hair is so
You
much,
think so?
it's so much thicker than it looks.
I know.
Okay, so let me do this bottom part.
Okay. All right, water section. Now we're on to the second part of the back half.
Okay.
Eco Styler gel. Just lather it all in there. The shrinkage is real, man.
Right.
I love doing length checks because it's like you see how much hair you
When was
really
the last
have.
time you straightened your hair?
New Year's.
Oh, okay, yeah, I remember
Yeah. And so this back half is going to be put into one ponytail and put it like right there.
that. Okay.
All right, bottom part
Yay.
is done.
Time for the top.
Okay.
The widow's peak.
And, I'm gonna start opening up the bundles.
Okay.
It's 10 inches? There's no way.
That is not, that's like,
Actually,
7.
it is 10 inches.
really? I guess because it's curled, it looks shorter.
Yeah. And so we're just putting all of that in the ponytail. Well, we're adding it to the ponytail we already made. Okay, so we'll just twist this into a bun here. That way when we start to add the weave, it's like good. Perfect! Yes! Now we're ready to start adding the weave. Okay y'all, so this is the final look. I had wrapped my hair while Sierra was helping me fix my ponytail because we had to make sure we hid that bun. So let me show y'all the reveal. There we go. Wait, not that part. Is it attached to the ponytail?
Ooh, I think it might have a pin in it.
It got a pin in it?
Okay, wait.
Did we pin it? This is hilarious. We pinned our scarf.
Okay. Fixing the pin.
Okay.
So It'll sit here.
Yeah.
And voila.
All right, so this is it. Let me show you the back. So you cannot see the bun at all. Sierra made sure that was not there at all. So there we have it. And now my makeup is all done. I am dressed and I'm ready to go to my birthday dinner. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and make sure you push notifications and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time for more Fit 29 fitness, beauty, and DIY videos.